Hi everyone, so I am Rahul. So I am back with another video. So today I have very interesting activity. So I just wrote down some question, then after that I will tell one by one. So one thing I would like to say that whenever I'm doing right now doing activity, also you will perform with me, because when you learning something and you will do in a more interesting way, so it is too amazing. So let's start the activity. So first question is one thing that you really like the most. So I really like to do workout. So whenever I get the chance, so I will do workout in morning, also at evening, so it depends on the situation. So yes, one thing that you dislike the most. So I am very time punctual, so whenever I called my friends, so they didn't arrive on the time, so I don't like that. So yes. So do you enjoy going to see movies? So yes, I really like to watch movies, especially in theater, at home. It depends on the situation. So I really like to watch movies, that type of movies. So they give me some inspiration, like life inspiration movies. So that type of movie I really like to watch. So yes, so next question is, do you usually like to read? So I just started one book, Rich Dad and Poor Dad. Before, like 1 week ago, I didn't have to interest to read books. They were too boring, to be honest. I never read that. So I saw so many entrepreneurs, so they were said in an interview, you have to read books, so they give you knowledge. So they were always right. I just started Rich Dad and Poor Dad. Why? Because I have more interest in finance. So always, mark my word. So books is always give you knowledge, mindset, positivity, and always open your mind. So always you have to read book. So this is my recommend. You have also, whenever you get the chance, so always daily read one page. So it is very important to read books. So yes, so let's go to the next question. So do you enjoy cooking? So yes, I really like to enjoy cooking. So whenever I get the chance, so I help my mother in the kitchen. So yes, one thing that you would like to cook. So I really like to cook at Burji. So I just started in a hostel. So whenever I get the chance, so I will cook at home. So I played one song at the background, then after that I will chopping tomato, onion. So it was good experience. So whenever I cook that. So yes, did you eat your breakfast this morning? So yes, I ate that. So today I ate oat with almonds with banana, so mixture of milk, because breakfast is very important in morning, because you have to survive whole day. So always eat your breakfast is heavy, because in a heavy breakfast is give you more energy in morning, so you will survive whole day in a good way. So yes, breakfast is very important in morning. Next question is, what food would you like to try which you have never tried? So I really want to try outside food. So I tried everything in India, like almost. So I really want to try outside food, American food, Italian food. So that type of food I really want to try that. And one thing I would like to say that I did one craziest experiment in the food. So I mixed that. Sorry, I'm just laughing. I just mixed that noodles with curd. I know that it is a weirdest experiment. I'm not saying you have to put all the curd in the noodles. You just took some noodles, and after that you will just take a spoon and mix the curd. So it is too amazing. You have to try this. Just once time you will try that, after that you will not try. Just try that. It is too amazing. One time you will try that. Okay. So next question is, do you enjoy traveling? Yes, I really really enjoy traveling. I really like to do traveling. So yes. So last question is, where have you traveled till now? So I traveled in Jammu and Rajasthan. Right now I'm in Delhi, so I also traveled Delhi and Kolkata, West Bengal. Yes, that of city I want to explore more, because I love to do traveling. So when I start running, so I have this dream. So I really want to explore India, then after that I will explore the world. So there is some places I want to go that. So yes, I really like to do traveling. So yes, so I just completed all the question. So yes, so thank you so much for giving your valuable time. So I will meet you with another video with the exciting topic. So thank you so much. So bye bye.
Lit. Roll up to the party, roll up to the party. Roll up to the party, roll up to the party. Roll up to the party, roll up to the party. Roll up to the party, roll up to the party.